Picture this. You come home after a long day, and there it is again, that unmistakable odor. Your older dog, once impeccably trained, has taken to peeing in the house. The frustration, the mess, the nagging worry that something might be wrong, it's a situation no dog owner wants to face. But the reality is, it happens, and more often than you might think. In this eye-opening video, we're going to uncover the reasons behind this issue and provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to stop your older dog from peeing in the house. Stay with us, and you'll discover the keys to preserving your home and your dog's health and happiness. Number 1. Identify the underlying health concerns. First and foremost, it's essential to consider the health of your older dog. The alarming truth is that as dogs age, their risk of medical issues, including urinary tract infections and incontinence, significantly increases. Around 20% of dogs over the age of 8 experience some form of urinary incontinence. Therefore, if your once potty-trained pup starts having accidents, consult your vet to rule out any underlying health problems. Number 2. Update house training. As your dog ages, their physical capabilities change. This is particularly true for their muscle tone, which can affect their ability to control their bladder. So, one of the most important steps in addressing house soiling issues with older dogs is to update their house training. Understand that they may not be able to hold it as long as they once did. To prevent accidents, it's crucial to take them out more frequently. In fact, research from veterinary experts suggests that older dogs may need to relieve themselves every 4 to 6 hours, depending on their age and health. By adjusting your dog's schedule accordingly, you can help them maintain their house training. Number 3. Consistency is key. Consistency is the cornerstone of successful house training. Surprisingly, many dog owners underestimate the importance of maintaining a consistent routine. The astonishing fact is that dogs thrive on schedules. A study conducted by the American Veterinary Society of Animal Behavior has shown that consistent schedules lead to more reliable and desired behaviors in dogs. So, keep feeding times, walking schedules, and bathroom breaks consistent. Sudden changes can confuse your senior dog, leading to accidents. By sticking to a routine, you create a sense of predictability that helps your dog understand when and where they should relieve themselves. Number 4. Proper diet and hydration. Your dog's diet and hydration play a more significant role in house soiling than you might think. The reality is that dietary choices directly impact their bathroom habits. An astonishing fact from the world of pet nutrition is that specific nutrients can influence the frequency and urgency of urination. Therefore, it's vital to feed your older dog a balanced diet tailored to their age and health. Some older dogs may need diets lower in protein or certain minerals, depending on their specific health conditions. Consult your veterinarian for dietary recommendations that best suit your dog's individual needs. Additionally, managing their water intake is equally important. Monitoring when your dog drinks water can help you predict when they might need to go outside. Adjusting meal times and limiting water access in the evening can be particularly useful in preventing nighttime accidents. Number 5. Senior dog accommodations. Senior dogs, like their human counterparts, can experience mobility challenges. Arthritis, joint pain, and muscle weakness are common in older dogs. These physical issues can make it difficult for them to reach the outdoors in time when nature calls. It's essential to understand that, as dogs age, their bodies change. This means you may need to make accommodations to make their lives more comfortable. For instance, you can place peep pads closer to their favorite spots or near the door for easy access. Another option is to install ramps to help your senior dog navigate steps or thresholds. These adjustments not only reduce the chances of indoor accidents but also help your dog maintain their independence and dignity. Number 6. Clean accidents thoroughly. The importance of cleaning up accidents thoroughly cannot be overstated. An astonishing fact is that if you don't clean up messes correctly, your dog may be drawn back to the same spot to repeat the behavior. Dogs have a keen sense of smell, and even though you may not detect any lingering odor, they certainly can. This is where the astonishing power of a dog's olfactory system comes into play. In fact, a dog's sense of smell is 10,000 to 100,000 times more sensitive than that of humans. To prevent your dog from using the same spot repeatedly, use an enzymatic cleaner specifically designed to break down the odor molecules. This will effectively eliminate any trace of the scent, discouraging your dog from returning to the same spot. Number 7. Behavioral considerations. As dogs age, they may experience changes in behavior that can lead to house soiling issues. It's an alarming fact that cognitive decline, often referred to as canine cognitive dysfunction, can affect older dogs, much like dementia in humans. This condition can result in forgetfulness, confusion, disorientation, and anxiety. As a result, your dog may no longer remember their house training, leading to accidents. A surprising statistic from the American Association of Retired Dogs suggests that over 25% of dogs aged 10 and older exhibit signs of cognitive dysfunction. To address these behavioral changes, it's essential to be patient, understanding, and, when necessary, consult with your veterinarian for guidance. Cognitive dysfunction can be managed with medication, changes in routine, or even puzzle toys and brain-stimulating activities. Number 8. Seek professional help. In more severe cases of house soiling in older dogs, seeking professional help is crucial. It's astonishing that a growing number of older dogs end up in shelters due to housebreaking problems. According to data from the American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, there has been a 15% increase in the surrender of older dogs in recent years. This is a heartbreaking fact because many of these dogs end up in shelters with uncertain futures. To prevent this outcome, if your efforts to address house soiling aren't yielding results, or if your senior dog's behavior changes are becoming challenging to manage, it's essential to consult a professional dog behaviorist or trainer. These experts can provide customized guidance and solutions to help you and your older dog overcome these challenges, ensuring they can enjoy their golden years in a loving and stable environment. As we conclude this in-depth guide, we want you to remember that you're not alone in this challenging situation. With understanding, patience, and a commitment to your dog's well-being, you can overcome housebreaking problems, providing your senior dog with a comfortable and happy retirement. If you found this video insightful, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it with fellow dog owners who might be facing similar challenges. Together, we can ensure that every dog enjoys their golden years with dignity and love.